Well, the wind's quit blowing for now, and my Blackstone is safe somehow. That's my, used to be my Weber grill. There's a cast metal lid somewhere, right, Lizard? I haven't found it yet. No telling where it went off to. Somewhere across the mountains or something. We have these benches in our yard. That's not a bench, that's a hammock stand. I'm surprised it didn't blow away. Anyway, see, there's one missing. It's down there. Oh, look, I found the lid. So that's how far my Weber grill lid went. I guess I'll figure out a way to drag it up along with the bench. And the benches are pretty darn heavy, probably 50, 60 pounds. It's gotten a little windy the last few days, to put it mildly. There's been trees down, and I know the winds have had to have been 50, 60 miles an hour at least. Probably gusts much higher than that. Anyway, yeah, the Weber's a goner. I've tried fixing. You can't Bondo that pot metal together. Can't even be welded. Welders will laugh at you. Anyway, that's one of the reasons I haven't been griddling lately. Too much wind, not enough time, propane's too expensive, our freezer's too small. I'll keep coming up with more excuses later. Anyway, we'll get back on the saddle, and don't leave us, and we'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye!